Yeah, I've hit President's Club every quarter since 2019. Then one Monday, nothing. It's cold, empty, like Q4 pipeline after a rework. I live by code. Golf, grind, close, repeat. I knew something was off when Kyle from product was closing 6-figure deals. Kyle doesn't even know what QBR means. He probably thinks it's a new AI model.
3 suspects, 1 motive, 0 CRM hygiene.
Not even I got leads that warm during the COVID-free child search. And I was everywhere. Okay, yeah, I might have tried to whiteboard a new GTM strategy on a napkin while I was sipping on his espresso martini at our last off-site, but it was revolutionary.
Look, A's need to be regularly restructured, and Chad was not AI native. Sometimes you just need to pivot.
I've seen it before. Leads don't just disappear, they get rerouted.
I swim on pipeline back.
People spend so much time building spreadsheet reports, and the first step of that is always pulling a bunch of data together from different places and putting it in there. You've now just spent 75% of the time you were going to spend on this project just getting data into your spreadsheet. If you never have to think about that again, then you can spend 100% of your time building really awesome dashboards.